Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Housekeeper Spackle Roller Paint is probably one of the most innovative tools to hit the DIY and home improvement scene in years, offering a revolutionary way to tackle wall repairs and touch-ups with unparalleled ease and efficiency, making those annoying nicks, dents, and scuffs disappear like magic without the mess and hassle of traditional spackling methods, saving you time and effort on your next home project. Number 5. 6PCS House Paint Roller Kit. Introducing our versatile paint roller kit, designed for all your home painting needs. This set includes an extendable roller frame and multiple microfiber covers for a seamless painting experience. Reach new heights without a ladder. The adjustable extension allows you to easily cover high ceilings and walls. Simply twist, pull, and lock to your desired length. Achieve a flawless finish every time. Our non-shedding microfiber rollers ensure excellent paint absorption and a smooth, even coat without drips or splatters. Built for durability and comfort, this tool features a sturdy yet lightweight construction. The ergonomic handle reduces fatigue, providing a comfortable grip for extended use. Transform your home with ease. This roller is perfect for walls, ceilings, floors, and various other painting projects, delivering professional results with minimal effort. From latex to oil-based paints, primers to varnishes, it handles them all. Enjoy its versatility and easy cleanup for repeated use. What we like. This roller offers an extendable reach, making it perfect for high ceilings or large walls without a ladder. Its non-shedding microfiber ensures a smooth, splatter-free finish. If you're looking for a tool that provides professional results with ease and comfort for any home painting project, this is the one for you. What people say. This roller is a game-changer for patching small holes and imperfections. It applies spackle smoothly and evenly, making the repair almost invisible. The design is very user-friendly. It's easy to load with spackle and maneuver around tight corners. The roller tip is precise, allowing for targeted application without mess. I was impressed with how quickly it dried and how little sanding was needed afterward. It saved me a lot of time and effort compared to traditional methods. Number 4. BONCART Spackle Wall Repair Kit. Introducing the BONCART Spackle Wall Repair Kit, your all-in-one solution for damaged walls. This comprehensive kit contains everything you need for a seamless repair. Our upgraded formula is formaldehyde-free, ensuring a safe and healthy environment. It's highly resistant to breakage, waterproof, and provides streak-free, professional-looking results that are virtually invisible. Repairing your walls has never been easier. Simply squeeze out the mending agent and smooth it with the included scraper. It dries quickly, meeting all your repair needs. From drywall cracks and nail holes to peeling paint and graffiti, this agent handles it all. Restore your walls to their former glory with ease. Give your walls a fresh, new look. This kit is designed to tackle a wide range of surface imperfections, leaving them looking as good as new. We are committed to providing excellent service. Feel free to contact us with any questions before or after your purchase. What we like. This kit provides a complete solution for wall repairs, including a quick-drying, waterproof spackle. The mending agent dries to an invisible finish, making repairs virtually undetectable. If you need to quickly fix nail holes, cracks, or graffiti and want a seamless, professional look, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This roller is a game-changer for patching small holes and imperfections. It applies spackle smoothly and evenly, saving so much time compared to traditional methods. The design is clever and easy to use. The roller head is the perfect size for targeted repairs, and it holds a good amount of spackle. I was impressed with how well it covered nail pops and minor cracks. It made the wall look seamless after a quick touch-up. Number 3. White Paint Roller Repair Kit. Tired of yellowed walls, stains, and scratches? Our advanced repair kit is here to help. It combines the best of a brush and roller for a perfect finish. This innovative formula effectively covers graffiti, shoe marks, and stubborn stains. Enjoy long-lasting results that give your walls a fresh, renewed look. Crafted with high-quality materials, our repair solution offers superior durability. Keep your walls looking new for longer and say goodbye to frequent touch-ups. Achieve a flawless finish with ease thanks to its innovative design. It saves you time and effort, making wall restoration simpler than ever. Ideal for both homes and businesses, it covers imperfections on any wall. Enhance the aesthetic appeal of your space effortlessly. We are committed to providing excellent products and service. If you have any questions, our team is ready to assist you. What we like. This innovative roller paint is designed to restore walls, effectively covering tough stains, graffiti, and scuff marks. Its advanced formula provides superior durability for long-lasting results. If your walls need a refresh and you're looking for an easy-to-use solution to cover imperfections and restore their appearance, this product is ideal. What people say. It is a great tool for patching small holes and cracks. The roller design makes it easy to apply spackle evenly. It works well for quick touch-ups and repairs. Number 2. Wall Repair Rolling Brush. This innovative tool combines a roller and paint, eliminating the need for separate brushes. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable for any repair job, leaving no unwanted marks behind. Experience a super strong repair solution with exceptional adhesion. Simply squeeze and scrape to quickly restore your walls, achieving professional-looking results with ease. This kit includes a scraper for even application. It's ready to use right out of the box, making painting and smoothing simple enough for anyone to achieve a flawless finish. Tackle common wall damage in homes, schools, and offices with this versatile repair kit. It's perfect for fixing nail holes, cracks, peeling paint, graffiti, stains, and more. We stand by the quality of our product. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out for satisfactory service. What we like. This is a highly portable, all-in-one repair tool that combines spackle and a roller applicator. It offers strong adhesion for quick and effective repairs without leaving traces. If you need a convenient, easy-to-use solution for minor wall damage like nail holes or small cracks, especially when you're on the go or prefer a compact tool, this is perfect. What people say. This roller is a game-changer for spackling small holes and imperfections. It applies the spackle smoothly and evenly, saving a lot of time and effort compared to traditional methods. The design is very user-friendly. The roller head is perfectly sized for most common wall repairs, and it's easy to clean after use. It makes touching up walls a breeze. Number 1. Flyhawk 4 Feet Multifunction Paint Roller Kit. Tired of using ladders for painting? This 4-foot pole extends up to 8 feet, eliminating the need for a ladder. It's a versatile stainless steel pole that can be extended as much as you need. Experience professional quality with this paint kit. It's designed for a long service life and is easy to clean. Achieve excellent results and complete your painting tasks quickly and efficiently. Featuring dense synthetic filaments, it holds more paint, saving you time. The 1-2-inch thickness is perfect for house painting, and the durable filaments ensure a great finish. Stop wasting money on disposable paint trays. This high-quality set offers incredible value, making it perfect for both perfectionists and those who want to save money. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY beginner, this paint roller, tray, fluff, and brush set is designed for effortless use by anyone. What we like. This paint roller kit features an impressive 4 to 8 foot extendable pole, eliminating the need for ladders. It's made with high-quality, durable materials and dense filaments for excellent paint pickup and a smooth finish. If you're tackling large areas or high walls and want a professional-grade tool that saves time and effort, this kit is a fantastic value. What people say. This roller paint is a game-changer for small repairs. It's so easy to use, just fill it with spackle and roll it on. It covers holes and cracks perfectly and saves so much time compared to traditional methods. The design is clever and efficient. The roller applies a smooth, even coat of spackle, making touch-ups look seamless. It's also very lightweight and comfortable to hold, even for extended use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.